Welcome. In this video I want to show you how you can do the how to fade to black effect in a Hitfilm Express 12. So all you have to do is go in the effects menu. Now you will right here search in effects fade, and you will have a transitions video fade to color. You take it and you put it to the end of the video, for example, and you will zoom in a little bit. Wait a second, like that. Fade to color. And now, as you can see in the controls, you will have a color. It's going to be black most of the time, but what you can do, you can change the color to white, to yellow, or to just stay on a black. You can make it longer if you want. Then the transition starts much sooner. And also, if you cut the video in half, you can also put it between your clips. So that's the option too. If you like this video, you can support me with subscribe. I will be really thankful for that. And yep, thank you much everybody. Goodbye.